Same intersection, side of the vehicle. Should have understood it. You've already dealt with it once. Lane splitting, lane splitting, lane splitting. Okay, right now we're good. Green light. Green does not mean go. Green light does not mean go. Don't fight for it. You're getting pushed. You're getting pushed. Don't fight for it. Either get out or stay. It's all the same person. Same rider. Same rider. Same rider. Impatience and rushing is going to be a huge cause of close calls. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.